and now we're taking the phone back to the place.
Ya localizamos a la mujer. Vive en el número 87. Ahí vamos a devolverle el teléfono.
Funny, we found it on the sidewalk. I called it like a far away too.
69, 70. Número 87, pero no lo voy a poner en una parte. Oh, there she is, baby. Ahí está la mujer, la dueña del teléfono.
That's unbelievable. That's how the phone rings so far. It's sitting on the sidewalk.
Right. If you ever need flowers,
You're so awesome.
floral designer. That's what I'm doing. Actually, I'm in my studio right now working.
Thank you.
Boy,
Thank you very much.
Am I ever
wicked.
going to make her pay?
That's unbelievable.
Don't worry. It wasn't the street. Sure, I'll make it.
That is so awesome.
Sure.
Oh my God.
No.
She must have it in her
Sure.
pocket or something with that, because there's some kids there too.
Why would she be outside with the bloody phone?
I don't know.
I called it from there, and it reached you. That's all.
Well, I thought it was Melissa calling. Nice to meet you.
Sure, no problem.
That's Lisette. Lisette.
Lisette,
Nice meeting you too.
Lizette.
Yeah.
Lisette, lovely to meet you. I'm Annabelle.
Very nice to meet you.
Oh, like my
You
sister.
want to get flowers?
Big time, 100%. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna.
Just like my sister.
100%.
You are a real sweetheart
No
to
problem.
do that.
That's fun. That's all.
I'm
Okay.
going to have fun with this one.
Bye. Have a good day. Bye. Bueno, ya terminamos ya.